Hey everyone, Gil here at Camp Patton Family Compound. Pardon me for squinting, but it's really bright out here. I didn't want to wear my sunglasses that make me look like a spaceman or like Doc Brown in Back to the Future 2. Alrighty, so I'm going to make this kind of quick if I can. And so I'm out here where I'm going to be putting in the new driveway. And you'd seen in some of my previous videos, I started scratching away next to the shop, pulling the dirt away so I get it down so I can start doing it. Well, I discovered something when I actually got out the grade stakes and put up string line and the levels and stuff on it. I'm not sure if it's going to show too much here, but the street goes up that way. So that side over there is higher than this side over here, which means that the dirt I had to take out was higher on that side to get it to drain that way. So anyways, here's what I got going so far. So this orange line is where the sewer line is, and it's shallow, so I got to make sure that the truck doesn't drive on top of it. But I got the boards in for the first pour here. So this is a 20-foot wide pour here. Going to go up to where the boards are at, and when it gets up near the end, we'll throw the last boards up so they can pour up to that. So those will get thrown in really quick at the last minute there. Now I started getting the boards on the far side up already, and you can see the low spot there where it drains down to. It looks worse from this angle than it does from other angles, but in reality, that angle point down over there is only 2.5 inches lower than that orange mark on the sidewalk right there. So it's only got a 2.5 inch fall going that way. It's an optical illusion with the way the road is tilting up and makes it look worse than it is. But still, I had to dig a lot of dirt out of here. How much dirt did I have? Oh, not dirt, it was rock and a little dirt. How much did I dig out? Well, let's get over here quickly and I can show you. You can look back at it what I'm doing. I'm setting it up in the middle here. These boards being set up here is so I can run a board down there to make sure I'm level with the rock and get it filled in right. Okay, so this pile of rock over here, the mound's going back up there, the mound up there. Everything from here forward, I dug out of there. And that's not all. No, that's not all. I've started doing some work over here, using some of it. All of this came out of there as well. And as soon as I get the broken up concrete from the patio moved and everything, I'm going to finish getting this all graded out here so I can bring the cargo containers over here. But I was just talking with John from the contractors, and he's going to be trying to stop by tomorrow or the next day and give me the final bid price on it, especially since that I've done all the grade work, so he's going to give me a cheaper price. And then we'll get in here. Not sure, he was almost talking like maybe Thursday or Friday coming in to do the pour for that one there. And so that side is actually all graded. I mean, you can see there's some dirt over there exposing. That dirt was so hard I couldn't dig through it with my coyote, but I got it scraped down to that point, so that's on grade. And so I got some hard spots over in here, but I dug all this out with the Bobcat track loader when I brought it in with a auger to dig the holes for the Lombardy poplars out there. So hopefully tomorrow morning, when it cools off, or later tonight after the live stream tonight. Today is Tuesday, and that's the Gray Man Prepping live stream. I will get the boards down to here, and I'll make sure this side here is graded right, and that side's graded right, and then I'll jump those boards up here, coming up this way here, and I'll work up in here and get this all done. Hopefully by tomorrow night, so everything will be all ready to go. And then once I have it all graded, then I will finish up with the boards on this side over here up to that stake up there, and everything will be ready for him to pour. Now he could surprise me. he could, when he sees it all up like that, he may say, oh, why don't you just pull the boards down the middle here out, and we'll pour the whole thing at one shot. That'd be absolutely amazing to watch these guys do that. So that's what I'm planning on doing. I'm also planning on, when they're pouring this first one here, right up inside the shop there, setting up to do a live stream of it. And I'll just stream it live from inside the shop here, looking back out this way as they pour this. So that's one of the things coming up here. All right, so things are still going busy and crazy around here, and that's why I didn't go live I was out here working too late last night and too much heat and stuff, and I didn't feel like doing a live last night, so I apologize for that. But yeah, these things are getting ready here, trying to get everything, make sure it's all taken care of before winter gets here, because hey, drop it a hat, we can get snow here in September. Alrighty, so stay happy, stay safe, stay prepared, keep adding to your preps, get more skills, and I'll see you around in the next video. Take care.